Trump orders federal ban on Anthropic. National security blacklist ends $200 million AI partnership. President Trump's directive to immediately cease all use of Anthropic technology marks the first time a major American AI firm has been designated a supply chain risk. The conflict reached a boiling point at 5:01 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday, when Anthropic allowed a Pentagon-imposed deadline to pass without removing its ethical guardrails. At the center of the dispute are two red lines. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei refuses to cross the use of Claude for mass domestic surveillance and for fully autonomous, out-of-the-loop, lethal weapons. The Trump administration, through the rebranded Department of War, argued that private corporate ethics cannot override the constitutional authority of the military to use lawful tools. Secretary of War Pete Hegseth has signaled that the military will no longer tolerate ideological bottlenecks in its cognitive infrastructure during a time of global strategic competition. While the ban is effective immediately for new procurement, a 6-month transition phase has been granted for agencies currently dependent on Anthropic for intelligence analysis and cyber defense. In a scathing post on Truth Social, the president warned that Anthropic must be helpful during this transition or face major civil and criminal consequences under the Defense Production Act. The fallout is already spreading across the tech sector, with over 550 employees from OpenAI and Google signing an open letter in solidarity with Anthropic's ethical stance. However, the military is moving fast to fill the vacuum, shifting its classified workloads to Elon Musk's xAI, which has reportedly agreed to provide unfiltered models for defense use. OpenAI's Sam Altman also voiced support for Anthropic's red lines, creating a potential standoff between the world's most powerful AI labs and the US government. Anthropic leadership maintains that today's frontier AI is simply not reliable enough to be trusted with autonomous kill chains without risking catastrophic errors. The Pentagon counters that in a world of hypersonic missiles and electronic warfare, human-in-the-loop systems are becoming a strategic liability that could cost American lives. Financial analysts warn that this federal ban could jeopardize Anthropic's massive 2026 IPO, as the company is now barred from doing business with any firm that holds a military contract. The move signals a great decoupling between the US government and labs that prioritize safety first, constitutional AI, over unrestricted national security utility. As the 6-month phase-out begins, the legal community expects a Supreme Court battle to decide if the state can legally compel a software company to remove its own ethical code. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.